A boat is only the starting point. The real fun is making it yours. Whatever your setup, there's an Oceansouth accessory to take it further. So, how far can you deck out your boat? Need more shade? Grab yourself a Targa top, or check out our other Bimini and T-top ranges. Maybe you're looking for a better way to store your rods. Check out our new adjustable rod holders, available in a range of colours. Had enough of eyeballing your trailer every time you pull the boat in? Grab a set of our trailer guide poles. Keep rocks and road debris from scratching up your paint with our Stone Guard, available in small and large sizes. Cover up your trolling motor with our new range of covers made to suit all the big brands. Cruise along in comfort with our extensive range of seats made to suit just about any kind of boat. Keep your electronics safe and clean with our console covers. Outboard motors aren't cheap, so protect your investment with a vented outboard cover designed to keep it protected while the motor's running. No matter what you're running, Oceansouth has the gear to make your time on the water easier, and we're always designing and improving what comes next. Check out the full range on the Oceansouth website and make the most of your time on the water with us.